Hey beautiful people, welcome to my channel. Let's play with colors. Today we will create a boring t-shirt, denim t-shirt into a beautiful art piece. First tip is to measure the center point so that your design will well aligned. I am mother of two charming, playful, naughty and their nutcutpun remembering me. My childhood friends Chip and Dale. में भाई बहनों के साथ कार्टून देखते हुए कब टाइम बीत जाता था पता ही नहीं चलता था। अब उन्हीं एनिमे कैरेक्टर्स को जब मैं पेंटिंग करती हूँ अरे 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 ये क्या कर रही हो? पेंट को डायरेक्ट फैब्रिक पे अप्लाई नहीं करना है। इंस्टेड ऑफ दैट अप्लाई थिन लेयर ऑफ वाइट कोटिंग। I love to share my artworks with all you friends. Painting and creating of new things on fabric is my hobby. I love to experiment these colors. Let me know what is your favorite hobby in the comment section. If you find this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe my channel. If you watched my last video of Michael Jackson painting on jacket inspired by the pop art legend, what is your opinion about art? What defines art better? In simple language, friends, art is a wide range of creativity based on imagination, talents, expressions of ideas through physical mediums like filming, writing, photography, painting, dancing, etc. It is based on your imagination how wide you can go with your creativity. Artists like Michael Jackson always encourage himself to motivate it and sharpen his style no matter how faster Michael's spins doing moonwalk and his legendary anti-gravity move. He always keep practicing and practicing his moves in his artistic skills. Nobody can teach you art and get better or perfect. It's consistency of art that make you perfect. Here I am putting some last minute touch-ups that makes your painting beautiful. Thanks for clicking on this video. Bye.